You are going to love the 2023 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, stability control, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.